back again on the AUDIOPLUS channel. In this video we will share design inspiration for your aquascape. Keeping an aquascape in the house is one way to bring the tranquility of nature into the house. But what must be considered is the theme of the aquascape itself. And in this video we will share natural aquascape design ideas. The aquascape theme in this video is adapted from the wild. Such as rivers, we simply combine ornamental vines and ornamental plants in water. And they are arranged with rocks, river stones, roots, wood, and sand. For the preparation we can adjust to our own wishes. To add to the beauty of this underwater world, we can add some ornamental fish, such as neon tetra fish, platy ornamental fish, guppy fish, redfin fish, and also ornamental shrimp. And many more ornamental fish that you can choose as you wish, and make sure the ornamental fish do not damage the plants in the aquascape. That's a glimpse of decorating ideas for your aquascape. I hope you are inspired by this show. See you in the next video. Greetings AUDIOPLUS.